Pillar to post and coast to coast, this is The Law.
Live audio wrestling.
You might be familiar with some of his wrestling podcasts, The Art of Wrestling or Pro Wrestling Fringe. And we're starting to hear his voice even more in the world of wrestling on Ring of Honor, and that's Colt Cabana. Now, because we are talking podcasts, I do want to quickly ask, I mean, there was all this problem with the lawsuit when you had CM Punk on after he left WWE and said some things about their doctor and their suing and all that. I was just wondering if you could give us any kind of update on that situation.
Yeah, sadly, the update is still going on. It's cost me a lot of money, and that's kind of the extent that my lawyers will allow me to talk. So, nothing breaking here, but just do know that it's it's always on my mind. It's always a very sad thing. It's always, and I've talked to other podcasters, and even Pollock was just like, it's kind of changed the way that he's worked, and like realizing that this is a reality is that you can host a show and then you can get sued for it. Yeah, well,
that's it. So I guess it does affect the way you approach it sometimes, right?
I mean, for sure. It's always in the back of my mind, now, and which is a little upsetting, but it's the way of the world, I guess.
Yeah. Now, I don't know how much I buy into this, but when I was just looking around online today, checking out the wrestling news, I actually found people that felt Vince McMahon's promo on SmackDown this past Tuesday was some sort of veiled attack on you two. Have you seen the promo at all or anything?
I did. I only watched it because of Kevin, and I watched it a couple of days afterwards. And, yeah, a little bit of me wanted to like make some GIFs and, little videos of like him saying something about lawsuits and that kind of stuff. But I don't know. I don't know. The loss, Punk and I didn't do a lawsuit. We're getting sued. So
right.
That's kind of, but it did hit a little home and, of course made me a little sad.